Hello there, I'm Steve from Eliza Tinsley, and in this video we're going to take a look at some of the different options of cord available on what we call handy reels. Now this is a handy reel. We introduced these some years ago as a convenient way of buying and most importantly for the customer storing ropes, cords and webbing. The basic core is a plastic reel, something like you might get on a kite. Now from that you can unwind whatever cord you might need, chop it off, and it has a little cut-off section at the end there that you can lock it off. Hang that up in your shed, put it in a drawer, it'll not unravel, it'll be there ready for when you next need it. Most of the different cords we do come on these in anything from 15 to 30 meter lengths, so let's take a look at a couple of them. Here we have a braided poly cord. Braiding is much stronger than a twisted rope. It doesn't unravel as easily. This is ideal for use with pulley blocks or on flagpoles, that kind of thing. This can be used outdoors as it's resistant to rot and it is biodegradable. Now a top tip on this, I'd always recommend cutting the end nice and clean and then burning it with a lighter. That'll melt, it'll just stop it flailing out at the ends. Now please bear in mind this only works with man-made fibres, so don't try it with cottons or Sizal, at least not if you value your eyebrows. Now talking of natural fibres, we have in the range Sizal rope. Now this is ideal for use in the garden or for crafting or for historical reenactment purposes, as it's got a nice traditional look. Rope's been made exactly the same way as this for thousands of years. It can shrink, it does tend to absorb water, but it's naturally resistant to sunlight and it is of course environmentally friendly. We also have a range of cotton cords, including this red spot waxed cotton cord. The red spot is purely aesthetic, but this has a coating of wax on it, which makes it ideal for use over pulleys, for sash windows, that sort of thing. Very strong rope. It can also be used for washing lines as well, although probably recommend the unwaxed one for that purpose. A couple of slightly different ones within the range as well. We have a webbing such as this. There are 3 different options of this webbing. With this you can make up belts, repair rucksacks, make up luggage straps. We also offer ends, buckles and slides to go on these, so you can make it into whatever configuration you need. And finally we've got a shock cord. Now this is a rubber cord shock cord. This is sometimes called bungee. It's got a woven outer, so it is indeed very strong indeed. Now we only recommend this going up to about 1.5 times its original length. It will go up to twice as much, but for safety purposes keep it to about 1.5 times its length. But with that you can make your own luggage straps up, your own bungees. We also do the ends to suit this as well. So there we have it. A little overview of all the products available on handy reels. These are all available to view on our website at elizatinsley.co.uk. You can contact us via there as well, so please feel free to do so and we'll do all that we can to help you. Thank you very much.